Hello friends, welcome to my channel SSC English Maker. So in this video I am going to share how to achieve something greater in your life. Actually, if you want to achieve something greater in your life, you have to invest your time. If you don't invest your time, you can't achieve anything in your life at all. Few minutes ago, I was reading this English book for improving my English vocabularies uh, and trying to be fluent in this language. Actually, this means I am investing my time to improve my English language, and I am trying to be fluent speaker in this language. Okay, if we if I be a fluent speaker in English language, I will I hope I will get something better in my life in future. So if we if we want to achieve something greater in our life, we have to invest our time properly with your work. Okay, and you have to be patient in this field if we want to achieve something greater, because in hasty we can't achieve anything in our life. If we trying to hasty or promptly get something in our life, okay, we can't achieve anything in our life. So keep it in your mind. You have to be patient and you have to invest your time, what you are doing and what you are trying to do in your life to get success. Okay. In if we invest our time properly, we can achieve we can achieve success in every field, in each of every field in our life. Okay, so I will suggest you who are beginner and who are trying to learn this English language from basic, don't I please don't give up your journey. Please keep it continue and be patient in this journey, because this is not your native language. I always say this sentence: this is not your native language. So you have to keep your patient. Okay, so I hope you have understood. I'll meet you in the next session. Tata, bye.